Amnesty International is intensifying interventions to tackle human rights violations by imparting special skills and training to young people and village development committees, among others, to become rights advocates. According to Amnesty International Faraba Group President Lamin Sise, the organization is working to promote skills and knowledge to promote human rights issues among crucial entities required to promote human rights.
Amnesty International has been doing wonderful work around the world in 150 countries and 13 countries in Africa in trying to protect human rights and report violations of human rights as well as abuses. The purpose of this training is to empower youth associations as well as village development committees. We understand that there is a leadership gap that exists among the youth folk as well as the VDCs. So training them will be very, very important in trying to make sure that they have that understanding of the work that they do as leaders. So the training focus is going to be on human rights, democracy, and rule of law, as well as ethical and innovative leadership.
Barrister Mohamed Sow made a presentation on the concept of human rights, democracy, and the rule of law, describing the training as a perfect opportunity for human rights advocates to learn and understand new skills and modes to address human rights violations.
When you talk about human rights, you're talking about the rights of people. And as a human being, everyone has a right. Has a right to property, you have a right to life, you have a right to liberty. When you talk about democracy, it's all about, representation of the people. Governance is about people. Governments have to operate based on the wishes of the people and based on the law. And when you talk about rule of law in summary, you're talking about the supremacy of the law, which is that whatever is to happen in a state, it is the law that everyone has to look up to. And in the eyes of the law, everyone has to be equal. So there is nothing like first-class person, second-class person in a country.
Participants Mfali Sedikan and Jalika Jaju expressed optimism that the knowledge acquired will help their efforts to tackle human rights abuses and violations in their respective communities.
This training is very important for the fact that, some of the VDC members and the youth groups are being invited to attend it. And this will enhance their leadership skills and to promote the human rights within the community.
I see the training as something that is very important to us. At the end of the day, I'm going to disseminate the information to the community.
Other speakers include Ramatulai Cham, coordinator Amnesty International Faraba Group, which is advancing partnership scheme and a committed mission to train more people on strategies to alleviate human rights violations. Yusupha Bojang, GRTS West Coast Region.